The Addie model is the generic process traditionally used by instructional designers and training developers. The 5 phases, analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation, represent a dynamic, flexible guideline for building effective training and performance support tools. While perhaps the most common design model, there are a number of weaknesses to the Addie model which have led to a number of spin-offs or variations. It is an instructional systems design model. Most of the current instructional design models are spin-offs or variations of the Addie model. Other models include the Dick and Carey and Kemp ISD models. One commonly accepted improvement to this model is the use of rapid prototyping. This is the idea of receiving continual or formative feedback while instructional materials are being created. This model attempts to save time and money by catching problems while they are still easy to fix. Instructional theories also play an important role in the design of instructional materials. Theories such as behaviorism, constructivism, social learning, and cognitivism help shape and define the outcome of instructional materials. In the Addie model, each step has an outcome that feeds into the subsequent step. First, we have the analysis phase. In the analysis phase, instructional problem is clarified, the instructional goals and objectives are established, and the learning environment and learners' existing knowledge and skills are identified. The following are some of the questions that are addressed during the analysis phase. 1. Who is the audience and their characteristics? 2. Identify the new behavioral outcome. 3. What types of learning constraints exist? 4. What are the delivery options? 5. What are the online pedagogical considerations? 6. What is the timeline for project completion? The design phase deals with learning objectives, assessment instruments, exercises, content, subject matter analysis, lesson planning, and media selection. The design phase should be systematic and specific. Systematic means a logical, orderly method of identifying, developing, and evaluating a set of planned strategies targeted for attaining the project's goals. Specific means each element of the instructional design plan needs to be executed with attention to details. The development phase is where the developers create and assemble the content assets that were created in the design phase. Programmers work to develop and/or integrate technologies. Testers perform debugging procedures. The project is reviewed and revised according to any feedback given. During the implementation phase, a procedure for training the facilitators and the learners is developed. The facilitators' training should cover the course curriculum, learning outcomes, method of delivery, and testing procedures. Preparation of the learners include training them on new tools, software or hardware, student registration. This is also the phase where the project manager ensures that the books, hands-on equipment, tools, CD-ROMs, and software are in place, and that the learning application or website is functional. The evaluation phase consists of 2 parts, formative and summative. Formative evaluation is present in each stage of the Addie process. Summative evaluation consists of tests designed for domain-specific criterion-related referenced items and providing opportunities for feedback from the users. Thank you for listening. I'll see you tomorrow.